Hey everybody, this is our PMT and FV functions assignment. This is something that some of you might find very valuable in a very short time. So we are going to be calculating the monthly payments for a car purchase, a home purchase, and then some student loans down here. So finding a car, a house, and tuition that we'll be paying. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to locate 3 vehicles you would like to purchase using cars.com or a dealer site. So it gives you some restrictions, 8,000 to 28,000. And you are going to do that 3 different times. So I have found a car here. It is a 2020 Chevy Malibu, $23,046. So I'm going to go back into my document. 2020 Chevy Malibu. And this was from Carl Chevrolet, because I see their commercials all the time. And the base price, that is that $23,000, let me double check this, $23,046. Down payment, so that is the money that when you buy that car, you pay a total of $23,046. A down payment is the money you pay right up front. So that is the money you maybe write a check right there at the dealership. And then the loan amount is for the rest of it. So in this loan amount column, also here in step 3, it says the Kia formula in column F to calculate the loan amount. So the loan amount is the base price minus the down payment. So anytime we do a formula, start with an equals sign, base price minus down payment. Hit enter. Okay, so the total amount that we're going to have to pay after making that $5,000 down payment is $18,046. In instruction number 4 here, it says to key a function in column G to calculate your monthly payment. You will pay for the car over a 5-year period and the interest rate is 3%. So the function, just like we had average, min, max, count, the function we're going to be using here is the PMT function. So equals PMT, parentheses, and it's going to tell you here our rate. Our rate is 3%, so 0.03, because it is a percentage. Number of periods, so 5 years would be our periods, so 5, comma, the present value. So we are going to put a minus sign, and you'll see why in just a second. And then we're going to select our loan amount. Okay, so just like we have here, so equals PMT, parentheses, interest rate, 0.03, comma, periods, which is 5 years, and then a negative sign or a minus sign in our loan amount. And then we are going to divide this by 12 because we want to find out our monthly payment. Got all that in there? Hit enter. Looks like our monthly payment is $328.37. Not too bad. In 6 here, it says key in if function if column H that says buy if the monthly amount is less than $250 and don't buy if the monthly amount is greater than $250. Okay, so it looks like I thought that wasn't too bad, but it's over $250. So we need to do an if function. So equals if, parentheses, if this number, so I'm going to select our monthly amount, is greater than 250, comma, what did it say here? If it's greater than 250, we have to say quotation mark, don't buy, quotation mark, comma. Then it says if that's not true, so if it's not greater than 250, then we can go ahead and buy. So let's see if that worked. So it should say don't buy, right? Because it's greater than 250. There we go. It worked. So that is our if function, and that is how you would do this for each of the 3 cars that you choose.